Have you ever noticed something? You're not actually tired. You just can't seem to start. And then your brain says one line. I'll do it tomorrow. And that tomorrow slowly turns into a day, a week, a month. Then comes a point where you start getting irritated with yourself. You save motivational videos, watch productivity content, try new self-improvement hacks. But in the end, bed, scroll, repeat. Funny thing is, you already know what you need to do. You need to work out, learn a skill, start editing, work on your business. You're not dumb. You're not even lazy. You're just overloaded. Because modern life has fried your brain so much that even simple tasks feel like boss fights. Pick up your phone? Dopamine. Open a reel? Dopamine. Notification? Dopamine. And then when a real-life boring task shows up, your brain goes, nah, tomorrow sounds better. And slowly, you stop trusting yourself. The most dangerous thing isn't failure. The most dangerous thing is breaking the promises you make to yourself. Gym from tomorrow. Discipline from tomorrow. No distractions from tomorrow. And every time you don't do it, an invisible part of your confidence breaks inside. That's why motivational videos don't even work anymore. Because you don't need motivation. You need momentum. Small, tiny, almost stupid level momentum. Like, just work for 5 minutes. Just open the laptop. Just wear the shoes. Just open the document. That's it. Because the human brain feels motivated after action, not before it. This waiting for the perfect mood thing, it's never coming. Nobody wakes up feeling like a machine every single day. The difference is, some people still do the work even when they don't feel like it. And slowly, those are the people who move ahead in life. Not because they're special, because they stopped negotiating with themselves. Look, your future is not going to magically change your life. Tomorrow's version of you won't suddenly become more disciplined than today's you. If you ignore things today, tomorrow will repeat the same pattern. And honestly, time is moving really fast. One day you'll look back and realize you spent more time planning your life than actually living it. So maybe today, you don't need to fix your entire life. Just do one thing. One small thing. Even if it's messy, even if it's imperfect. Because action creates identity. And the day you prove to yourself that when I say I'll do something, I actually do it, confidence